Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, QQQ and SPY on a downtrend, and so does Tesla. Today we have some news coming out regarding unemployment, jobless claims, and inflation. I think all those news would be out before the market opens. So I'm expecting a bit of volatility today. I think today would be a red day for the markets, but I'll wait for the first few minutes to see how the market reacts and then define my trades based on that. We do have around 30 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. Giving it some time. Got in around 310. Giving it some time. Out for now. Got some decent move to the downside. Wish I had more than one contract, but it is what it is. See where it's now. Came back all the way down. Super glad that I booked the profits. It may continue down again, but I'll wait for a rebound. Let's see how this candle performs. I think it's going to continue lower from here, but don't want to jump in. It would be like chasing. It's going to break down for sure. But it's way overextended to the downside. Yep, it's going down, as I said. Did not give the bounce that I was looking for. SPX around 3827 is what I'm looking for the next entry. If you look at the SPX chart, you have a clear level of resistance there. So I was waiting for a bounce to that level, but it never happened. It may continue down without giving me a bounce. Not feeling FOMO here. On SPX, the next level of support is around 3795. Before SPX goes to retest the support level, it would be really great if SPX could give a bounce. And if it gives a bounce, I'll look for a second trade, else I'll stay away. First 5-minute candle to make a new high. High of this candle was 379.69 and it fell short 379.66 is the high of this candle, so it did not make a new high. Around 3 minutes for this candle to close. Feeling around here. Definitely weak. Wow. I expected a little more push. I'll keep waiting. We do have another 8 minutes before I wrap up my trading. $310. I didn't get it. Bummer there. I was not quick enough. Yeah, I missed it. Low was 310. $265, I'm in. I'll be quick to get out. We do have a sell order around 285. Out. That was a decent trade. That puts me close to around $100 on the day, and we're almost approaching the 30-minute timeout window. Today, clearly, it's a bearish day, and I think we'll get more opportunities, but I want to conserve my profits. As I always say, you just need to live another day to trade and focus on base hits rather than going for big winners. That being said, I think I'll wrap it up. Overall, an okay day of trading, making close to around $100 in around 30 minutes. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.